Hey, this is Jesse of Revved Up SEO. Hope your day is going good. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to kind of give you some tips on stuff that you can start implementing today. That'll in turn give you some higher ranks on the search engines. So without further ado, let's get started. So first and foremost, I just wanted to point out that you got a pretty good layout on your website. You got your name at the top, or your number at the top. That's always good. It keeps people looking at your number. That way, when they do call, it's right there. They don't have to go look for it. You got a little contact form. That's pretty good. Um, but only thing I see that's really lacking on your page is some content. So one of the things that Google looks for when they start ranking a website is the content and how unique and authoritative that content is. So when you're doing your content, you just want to make sure you include some keywords and key phrases that are relevant to what you're trying to be found for. But other than that, your homepage actually looks pretty good. The layout of the website looks good. I would just really kind of try to focus more on adding some content that has some keywords and phrases in there. Um, but with that being said, we'll go into the second thing that Google looks for when they're ranking. It's something called a backlink. So backlinks are not created equal. Um, you got good backlinks, you got bad backlinks, and you got just straight up spammy backlinks. Backlinks play a role into your strength right here, and then into your trust. So obviously, this one right here is going to take more into consideration your content, keywords, and stuff like that, and how your website is versus this one over here, which is just your backlinks and how well trusted your website is in Google's eyes. We have 50 domains giving you 525 backlinks, which is giving you 909 keywords that you're being found for, which is great. Honestly, this is probably about the highest that I've seen in your guys' niche down there in Albuquerque. But in turn, you're getting 105 organic traffic from it. But like I said, the backlinks is kind of a big deal. It's what's gonna help or hurt you really on the organic searches. If we come down here, you can see that you have 525 backlinks, and out of those 525, 128 are carrying some weight that's helping you, but you got 176 that are not giving you any weight that could be spammy and stuff like that. But we'll come over here and we'll dig into these backlinks a little bit. So what I mean about good backlinks, bad backlinks is there's some that are called like the do follow, and then there's some that are the no follow. But the ones that you want to stay away from are the ones that are like different languages, like Chinese, Russian, blah blah blah. Stuff like those kind of look spammy in Google's eyes. Or if they're coming from like a casino that's like gambling or stuff like that, because those are typically known to be non-trusted websites. But I did a little bit of digging, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what I mean. So as you can see right here, you got this language right here. It's kind of hurting you. There is another one. This one down here. This one's probably not a very good one. It's probably hurting you quite a bit. But just to give you an example, those are just a couple. Um, there's another thing called citations that goes into consideration when Google's trying to rank a website. Um, I'll start right here. Google Guaranteed. I'm sure you already Google Guaranteed, but if not, I'd definitely recommend it. It just adds another trust factor when Google's ranking a website. But coming down here, you can see this is the map pack. You'll see a business's name, address, and phone number. Those three things listed anywhere is considered a citation. The more citations you have in different directories like Google, Facebook, Yelp, those type of directories, the better. So what you'd want to do is you want to go and see where your competitors are, put them everywhere that your competitors are, and then go ahead and then go above and beyond and one up them, you know. The more you have, the better. But with that, I believe you're probably doing pretty well in that department, based off of those keywords that you're being found for. But we went over a couple things. Your content, definitely adding some keywords inside your content is gonna help you get found a little bit easier over here in the organic searches. You know, you guys are on the 3rd page right now, so you guys are definitely missing out on some of that. The backlinks, putting in some more of those good do follow backlinks instead of those no follow spammy backlinks is going to start helping you rank a lot higher up here too. And then lastly, the citations. Like I said, I think you're probably doing good in there, but definitely find out where you can be put more and go ahead and go above and beyond to beat your competition in that department. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you found it educational and got some nuggets out of it. You can take this information and run with it. But if you'd like some help in getting an attack plan together on how we can start implementing some of these changes, definitely get back to me. I'd love to help. Well, with that being said, hope you have a good day. Take it easy. See you soon.